Hello and welcome. Lynn here for Cat Scrappiness, and I'm here to introduce to you one of the latest releases to hit the shop. This is a gift card holder pocket, and really fantastic. There are two dies in this set, and let me show you what they cut out. So the larger of the two will cut out this piece that has these additional tabs. These are going to be your glue tabs here, and it does put in score lines so that you know exactly where to fold to create your pocket. And then this die here, the more solid one, cuts out really lovely decorative layer with some nice stitch border design and detailing. Now with the pocket, there's actually a couple of different ways you can work with this, and it really just depends on your project and your application. So what's fantastic about this is that you can use just the pocket piece on its own. So for example, we do have the score lines here, so I'm just going to fold these. And if you cut this out of maybe some pattern paper like I've done on this piece, this could be lovely pattern paper. You would have your glue tabs on the back, and then you can just glue this straight onto your project and you would have a lovely pocket to put your gift card. So I just have an old gift card here, and you can see, look how perfectly that fits. It's beautifully designed so that I love that there's a little bit something of the gift card showing, and but most of it's hidden, so you may not 100% know, what the gift card, where the gift card is to. Maybe the dollar value would be nice and hidden. So it's a really lovely size pocket for that. And very easy to slip in and out too. It's not super snug of a fit. So whoever receives it won't have a hard time pulling the gift card out. So that's one way of using this die set. You can just use this piece by itself. The other way that you can use it is you can cut this if you wanted, and then put your pattern paper layer on top. Now you'll notice that it is an exact match. So you're not going to see a border of your pocket. But if you wanted a pocket that is kind of standalone, let's say you're just making a lot of sleeves for your gift cards in advance, you don't know where and how you're going to actually put them on your project, what you can do is, instead of folding the tabs back like this, you can fold them forward as a valley fold, and then what you can do is attach this piece to it like that. And now you have some pattern paper for a lovely decorative front, but it's a full standalone pocket that once you've got a bunch of these prepared, you can put them on the inside of a card, put them on the front of a card, put them on a tag, put them on maybe even on the lid of a gift box. You can choose, once you have these sleeves prepared, where and how you want to apply them to your project. So it's kind of nice to be able to use both and just have these sleeves already prepared. These would be great to go into mini albums too, as not just a gift card holder, but just a little pocket where you can maybe put some movie tickets or ephemera, things like that. So think outside of gift cards too, because I think that it's just a very versatile pocket that you can use for anything that you want. The other thing is that if you wanted your pocket to, you could use it in both directions too if you wanted. So for example, if you want this slant to kind of go that way, you could totally do that. Let's say you do want that portion of your gift card to show. You can just flip everything over to the back, Generally, when you're die cutting, the side that touches your die is going to have a slightly more professional edge to it. But there's nothing to say that you can't turn it around and use the back. And that's the lovely thing with Cat Scrappiness papers too, because they're double-sided. You can choose which side you want to use. So if you'd like for the slant to go this way, just reverse all of your folds and then flip this piece to the back. And you can have your pocket going that way versus your pocket going that way. Super versatile. So now let me show you a couple of projects I've made using this die set.